Okay, so the first thing you're gonna have to do is balance your equations. And if you balance your equation correctly, this is what you should have right here. 2 coefficient, 2 over here, and then 3. Okay. So just like mole ratio problems, you're gonna have to start with the given amount. So in this case, you're given 12 grams of KClO3. So I'm gonna start with 12 grams KClO3, then multiply. Okay, so you're basically gonna follow this formula right here. Given grams, multiply on the top, you're gonna have 1 mole. So this is always the same number. And this top here is gonna be 1 mole of KClO3. Okay, over, this is the molar mass of KClO3. So if you do your side calculations, molar mass of KClO3 is going to be equals to okay, so it's going to be roughly 123 grams. Okay. So that number will be plugged in underneath over here. 123 grams KClO3. All right. So now I'm going to be at the last step over here. So I have to multiply this with my mole ratio. And mole ratio, we covered this last class, all right? So it's going to be the wanted mole that goes on the top. So if you look at your problem, the wanted is the moles of O2. Okay, so I'll put this on the top, moles of O2. And the bottom, you're going to have to line this up over here, right? So whatever you're given on the top must be the same as the bottom. That's the given mole. So this will be mole of KClO3. Okay. And of course, the next part is going to be your ratio. Your ratio comes from your balance equation, okay, the coefficient. So if I have O2 here, this is going to be my ratio. So I put 3 on the top, and the bottom is going to be your KClO3. So it's going to be a 2 over here. Okay. So now we're gonna do your math. Okay, it's gonna multiply across on the top. So we'll take 12 times 1 times 3, which will give me 36. Okay. Over. I will multiply this number at the bottom. So it'll be 123 times 2. 123 times 2 will give me 246. Okay. And now if you punch these two numbers out on the calculator, let's see, 36 divide 246. Okay, this should give you a pretty small number. And then when you divide it out, this unit gonna cancel out. Okay, so this will cancel diagonally. This will cancel diagonally. So what's gonna be left as your answer will be 0.146 moles, right? That's left over, moles of O2. And if you double check, you're basically gonna answer the question that they asked you, right? So they want you to find moles of O2 here, and what I have is moles of O2. So I'm good, okay? But this diagram right here is what's gonna help you as a tool to help you solve your problems.